Hi there, students. Hangdog. Hangdog. Okay, this is an adjective, and we normally use this to talk about the expression on somebody's face, particularly when they're unhappy or they're ashamed, typically because they're feeling guilty. So I think the most common collocations, a hangdog look on his face, a hangdog expression in his eyes. Yeah, looking rather sad, looking depressed, maybe because you feel guilty about something. So the mother told her son off, and he had this hangdog expression on his face. Dejected, shamefaced, sheepish, abashed, looking rather sad, rather dejected. Yeah. Okay. So that he's feeling guilty and rather ashamed. Okay. So yeah. I had a terrible hangover the next morning, and a rather hangdog look on my face because I knew I shouldn't have drunk so much. I felt rather guilty about it. So hangdog, downcast, guilty. You can actually also use this word, a hangdog, as a noun, meaning a contemptible person, somebody who's not very nice. He's a hangdog. But let's see, a hangdog expression is when you're really rather unhappy. After failing his exams, he walked around the house with this hangdog look for days and days. Yeah, so hangdog, guilty, uh, defeated, abject, downcast, wretched, shamefaced. It's like you've been beaten down. Okay, so this hangdog look on his face. I guess a hangdog attitude. Yeah, a depressed attitude. I guess you could use it like that, but it's most commonly for the look on someone's face. Yeah, a hangdog attitude, depressed, down, guilty. Yeah, I'm always thinking you've done something wrong. Formality. I think I'm going to give this a 3 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation, and I think that's probably where to use it. You could just about use it maybe in a semi-formal conversation. And then I guess hang, your head hangs down when you're depressed, as in origin. And a dog, well, dogs are normally treated as lower members of society, of things that are maybe inferior. Well, but they're not. They're just another creature. So, a hangdog look, a hangdog expression, a hangdog smile. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Hangdog.